Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you who might remember the AYA, we did a convention at Blue Ash Airport in 2001. And here on the approach end of runway 6 in the tall grass, Roscoe mode, with a 6-foot wide mower deck, welcome AYA into the approach end of runway 6 right there in the grass. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, here was what Schmidt Aviation, their maintenance bay, and their FBO is right there to the right. This is what it looked like from the ramp as you pulled up, and we had parking right across the grass from it. Here it is from another angle, and you can see you had a big door, so we had a place to go inside to have our maintenance seminars and all. And then here's a shot of the maintenance bay inside for you, and he had a lot of Cessnas in there, but they made room for us to be able to do our thing. Now, Schmidt Aviation provided us with a lot of details. Now, we had a pilot lounge area that was dedicated to us. We had windows so we could look out to see what was going on, places to sit, magazines, and a television to stay current with affairs. There was also another area, sitting area, much closer to the runway and all, and it was right by the main doors coming into the FBO right there. And then inside the FBO, there was a counter where you could buy whatever you needed, pay for your fuel, and whatever services you might need, and that's Barb and Phil Schmidt of Schmidt Aviation right there in the background. And as you can see, some of the stuff they had on the wall of their FBO right there by their service counter. And then also, ladies and gentlemen, we have right here them standing behind it. You can see their offices in the back, pilot lounge, and of well, the display case with everything they had going for them. So again, Barb and Phil Schmidt of Schmidt Aviation, and this is Barb Schmidt. Again, this is from July of 2001 at Blue Ash Airport. Now, here's Phil Schmidt. Now, Blue Ash Airport is no longer with us, but we had a great time there. We hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, folks. Up in it and she feels safe. There she is.